Okay, let's pick up with this. Okay, so this is what we know about these trees. The apple tree has a slope of 2. It's growing at a rate of 2 units per year. The cherry tree is growing at a rate of 3 units per year. The cherry tree started out at 8 feet tall. Let me make sure I'm getting my units right. Is it feet? Yes, it's feet. So the apple tree, let's figure out its height when this whole experiment started. If it's growing at a rate of 2 feet per year, if at 1 year it was 14 and at 5 years it was 22, could we fill in these other things? At 2 years it'll be 16, 3 years it'll be 18, 4 years it will be 20, so 5 years is 22. What about at 0 years before this started? How tall was it? It was 12. So if we were going to write this equation, it would be y is equal to 2x plus 12. And for the cherry tree, it's y is equal to 3x plus 8. This is the apple tree. This is the cherry tree. So the cherry tree grows faster, but the apple tree was taller when it started. So let's see which answer says that. The cherry tree was taller? No. The apple tree was taller? Yes. But the cherry tree grows more quickly? Yes, that's true. Let's just make sure the other ones are false. The cherry tree was taller? No, that's false. The apple tree was taller? Yes. And it also grew more quickly? No. The cherry tree grew more quickly. Okay. All right, there's more. Pedro and Martha are hiking on a straight trail. They walk in the same direction at steady paces that are different from each other. They begin at the same time, but at different points. Which of the following would be enough information to find the distance between the two hikers after 5 hours? Okay, so which of the following would be enough information to find the distance after 5 hours? It's the paces of the two hikers and their locations after 1 hour, because then we can know their rate of change, and that would be enough information to find their distance after 5 hours. Okay, let's look here. Pedro and Martha, same scenario here. Let's see. They begin at the same time, but at different points. Martha crosses the 6-mile trail marker after 1 hour and crosses the 12-mile marker after 3 hours. So there's 2 ordered pairs for us again. For Martha, after 1 hour, she's at 6 miles. After 3 hours, she's at 12 miles. So let me show you what I wrote on my paper. After 1 hour, 6 miles. After 3 hours, 12 miles. There's 2 ordered pairs. What can we find with 2 ordered pairs? We can find the slope. Pedro's location over time is shown on the table. Okay, so I'm going to write these down. 5, 13, and 21. Okay, and this is time, and this is miles. Or distance. Okay, so Martha is hiking at a rate of, so here's where we need to find the slope here. 12 minus 6 over 3 minus 1 is 6 over 2, which is 3. Just use slope formula. Okay, so her rate of 3 miles per hour, that's the slope. Pedro is hiking at a rate of how many miles per hour? So let's go over here. I'm going to pick any 2 points. I'm going to pick 1, 5 and 3, 13 and use slope formula again. 13 minus 5 over 3 minus 1 is 8 over 2, which is 4. So Martha, 3 miles an hour. Pedro, 4 miles per hour. Martha is at the blank mile marker after 5 hours. Well, let's go back and find out where she started. If I have 1, 6, and she is moving at a rate of 3 miles per hour, then at 0, she would be at 3. Okay? She is at the 3. And then let's find out, my time is running out already. At 1, 5, after 0, or and when it starts at 0, so take away 4 from this, and it'd be at